All right, so here's the deal. I didn't take out the whole cap because I have easy access. So what I did, I disconnected it from the sensor. Easy, just put your fingers in the back here. There's a clip, pull it out. Then you pull out the whole connector. As you can see, what I'm doing, it has some zip ties. I disconnected zip ties. So this is the connection that goes to the CO2 sensors. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull it out. Has some clips, boom. And I could just work on it outside, bypass it here before I connect it, and I'll show you what's the result, okay? Hopefully this works out for you guys. This is the sensor right here that it keeps reading the carbon monoxide and it makes your generator shut off. So what I did, I had this plug removed. Just follow the sensor. So this right here connects in the back from the sensor. Just follow it. It connects to here. As you can see, it connects to here, right here. So I unplugged it, pulled it out, and I'm gonna show you a trick how to do it so you could bypass the sensor. Okay, so it's gonna be green, white, black, and brown. Okay, so this is the progress right now. Look, this is the part that goes to not to the sensor. This is the part that goes to the cable, and this is the part that connects to the sensor on top. So just try to get it from the bottom, from here, from where the other plugs connect. Strip it. Green, white, brown, and black. I'll show you how it looks right now. You're gonna use, I don't know what these are called, but these to bypass them. So this is what it should look like. Brown, black, green, and white. Like I said, that goes to the sensor, and this right here goes to the plug. Sides the cable, just like that. So this is what my final product looked like. So now I'm gonna connect it back again. So like I said, let me see if I could. So I'm doing it by one hand. So this, like I said, this goes here, the side where it's cut. Plugs right here, this down, and this one goes behind the sensor, back again. So now I just got to put it back. It's like a safety lock right here to hold all the wirings. Then if you want to put a zip tie here to hold all these, you could do. I cut mine off, but doesn't really need it. But here you go. That's the bypass. So besides the carbon monoxide sensor, there's another issue with these that's very common, which is deleting the charcoal canister. If you delete that one, it's gonna prevent you a lot of problems. So I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. So you gotta unscrew those two bolts, pull out this cap, and I'll show you how to do it. It's very easy. So it's already off. Come here. There you go. Take it off. This is it right here. Charcoal canister. So what you need to do, remove this pin, pull it down, Pull out the hose. Do the same for that one. That one goes to the gas tank. Wait a minute, it's giving me issues. I need two hands. Come on. There we go. See? Just leave them. Some people like to put like a screw in here or here, but it won't harm it. Just leave it like that, and you won't have any issues.